Today we find out what's inside a normal football, a foam football, toothpaste tube, Rubiks Cube, Stretch Armstrong. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Welcome to the video. That's right, we have 5 items cut open to see what's inside. What makes them bounce, what makes them round, what makes them operate, what makes them stretch. Find out here in this video today to see what is inside these items. Before I get started, your boy is wearing the merch. Do you like it? Do you like it? The link is in the description to go buy some of that. Like this video, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. So right, the first item is a foam ball. Yes, it's foam. Yes, you know what's inside it, but what's it actually look like inside the foam ball? So, I'm going to find out right now. Before I get started, all this video today is going to be about knives and hammers. So, do not use knives or hammers if you're a kid, okay? So come down here, we're going to see what's inside. Ready? See if it opens up. Wow, look at that. Oh, I hate doing this to my football because obviously you guys know I love my football. So this is torture for me, opening this. So you guys for this, so you guys ready for this? It's open. Let's see what's inside. Ready? 3, 2, 1. What?
Yeah, what's that?
The foam ball inside comes with £10 notes. So go out and buy yourself a foam ball. It came with a £10 note. That is awesome.
Wow.
See, look at this. Damn. One more thing left to do right now. That's what's inside the foam ball. Yeah, that's average. Next one. So right, the next one is the normal football. This is actually an all-weather pitch football, so it goes in snow, wind, summer, cold. It goes in all sorts of weather. So let's see what's inside an all-weather football. Let's go. I'm gonna puncture this. I'm gonna puncture it. Go on. Ah,
What's my knife?
Ah. I'm in it. They come to resource, try the Stanley knife. I'm in. I punched it. That scared me, that did. But I'm in. Ready? Ah. Ah. Ah.
Go on.
Yeah. Guys, I had this ball for about 10 years. I had it for a while. And now I'm breaking into it. Now I'm going to try and get into this somehow. I'm in. Guys, I'm in. Ah. Yeah. Ah. In all-weather football, it comes with a red, orange thing inside there. It comes with a whole little balloony thing, some balloon. Also, as you can see, that's how they knit. That is how they knit the footballs from the inside.
God, how you know that? Lovely.
The new fashion. What do you reckon? Yes, go out and buy some foam ball. You might come with a £10 note. You never know. So what next one is, you guys suspicious on how toothpaste tubes keep hold of the colours inside there. Can you see it? Right, let's open this tube up. So let's find out on how they make these toothpaste look like red, white and blue. As you see on the cover. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Lovely.
God, look at that. There's no tubes in there. It's just colour like that. I've opened it up. As you see right now, look inside. Literally nothing, no tubes in there. My hands are mucky. Guess what I'm going to do right now? Oh. Look. I'm fresh.
Ooh, you're hard showing off.
Look at your beard.
Now I'm gonna have a quick wash. I'll get back in touch with you. So right, the next one is the Rubiks Cube. I see right now what makes this operate, and like what makes them spin around like this. I'm going to find out right now. That is to, you know what? I've got this. Let's go all out. I've got a bloody hammer right here. Let's smash this up with a bloody hammer. But before I get started, if you do order one of these Rubiks Cubes, make sure you get it in the cardboard box one version, okay? It's cheaper as well. So let's smash this up. Let's see what's inside. Let's go. You know what? Before I get smashing this up, give me 10 seconds on the clock right now. I can do this in 10 seconds. Are you ready for this? I'm gonna count it down.
3, 2, 1.
10 seconds. Oh,
10.
oh no, I can't do it. I thought I could do it. I couldn't do it. I've let you all down. I thought I could do it. I thought I could do it. What makes this operate like this then? What makes it operate? There's no moment to find out right now. But like I said, do not use a hammer on these sort of items because I do this for your entertainment only. So do not do it yourself because it is pretty dangerous, okay? Guys, be careful. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Ah, my eye! My eye! Ah! Ah! My eye! Oh, oh man! Oh man! My eye!
It's fine.
I don't know where the parts have gone. I don't know where the parts have gone.
That's where
I found the part. This is what we need. I can't believe, guys, literally, I brought a Rubiks Cube off Amazon to literally smash up. So, I do not recommend it. Anyway, I've got the product right here. Look at that. That's what makes it. That what makes it spin round. You can see right now. But obviously, right now, it's broken. But a little ball, basically. That's pretty impressive. But now, I've got so many bits
Time to find them.
to find. I wanted to play with that. Oh, I'm sorry. So this is the title of the video. As you see on the video, the title, what is inside Stretch Armstrong. Guys, I used to love playing with this guy when I was little. I brought this today from the shop. I'm filming this right now. I brought him to play with, and I'm here to smash it up. So what is inside Stretch Armstrong? What makes him expand like this? What makes him expand? Let's find out. So right, let's see how far it goes before I wreck this bad boy up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. Wow, man!
Just don't let go.
I said to it.
Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. His arm looks a bit
Yeah.
different.
Poor bloke.
Skip.
Skip him up.
Really
That's how far we got to.
Wrapped up there, isn't it?
Bloody hell! That's how far he goes. Now I've had a bit of fun. It's time to open the bad boy up and see what makes him stretch that far.
How can you do it?
I know.
It seems wrong.
It does seem wrong. I'm sorry, kids. If you guys play with this or anything, we've got kids that play with it, tell them I'm sorry. So right, what I'm gonna do is literally stretch it all up, stretch him up like this. I'm gonna cut him up right now with this little knife. There. 3, 2, 1. Ah.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh
Guys, what is inside him? What is inside him? What the hell is that? It's like glue.
What is that?
Let's rip him, yeah? We're there, so step back. We're there. Let's break him off.
Hey! Put it down.
Guys, what the hell is this?
It's a monster.
I'm actually very annoyed that I've done this to this sort of guy. I am
Poor
sorry,
bloke.
I had to do it, but oh my god. What, it's like flipping glue. That is amazing.
solid though.
It's
It's
so
sticky.
cool. Look at that. That is
Yeah.
It might be
pretty
sticky at the
sticky
end.
as well. That is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at that.
Good up powdery stuff.
But I am, like I said, I'm sorry because I've wrecked up a good old toy here.
You have.
I am sorry. Damn. Ever wondered what your kids' toys look like when they stretch Armstrong? This is what it looks like inside. I am sorry for doing that, but I'm very annoyed myself for doing that. But it has to be done for the video. End this video right here. If you have enjoyed today's video, guys, smash the like button, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Next one. Guys, if you want a part 2 to this video, please smash 10 likes. If this reaches 10 likes, your boy will do a part 2.